Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do Facebook ads for free. This video right here is going to save you thousands of dollars, and by the end of this video, you're going to learn how you never have to turn on a Facebook ad ever again unless you just absolutely want to. Okay, so with that being said, I want to go ahead and invite you to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them right here on this channel. All right, so with that being said, let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm already here on Facebook, right? This is my Facebook my news feed. I'm going to go ahead and hit home. Okay, so now I've hit home. Now, how are you going to get Facebook ads for free? Well, let me explain. Facebook ads are ran on a specific algorithm. So when you go and you choose the targeting you want, it's going to showcase what they have in their data to the people who are based on whatever you choose. They're going to show it to those specific people. Now, what am I talking about in this video that's going to allow you to be able to get those ads for free? Well, let me show you a tool that I've been using for at least 90 days now. Okay, this right here is Lookup ID. Now, what is this going to do? This is going to use different parameters to basically filter out that same algorithm that the Facebook ads is using. And let me show you how powerful this is, guys. Let me just give you an example, and then I'm going to go back and show you how you can use this with multiple pages right here on Facebook. All right, so number one, what this does, you can see these different parameters. People name this, people who work at this, people who like, for example, Grant Cardone, or people who live in Texas that like Gary Vaynerchuk, right? So the same type of algorithm is being used with this free tool. Let me say that one more time. Free tool is giving you this amount of value. All right, so let's keep going down. The school attended, people who lived in Thailand, or people who lived in wherever, right? Or if you want to start mixing it up and making the targeting more laser targeted in, then now it's people who live in Texas and they like Gary Vaynerchuk, or people who live in New York and they like Jim Rohn, right? So now you're able to use different parameters, and what it's going to do, I'm going to show you in a minute. Let me actually put that in. All right, so let's not even use Grant Cardone. Let's use Jim Rohn. And wait, no, I think that was the location. Okay, people who live in Texas and they like Jim Rohn. Let's see what pops up. All right, so now what it's going to do is it's going to show us a list of people who live in Texas and they like Jim Rohn. Here we go. Lives in San Antonio, Texas. Let me go ahead and close that out. Lives in San Antonio, Texas, and they like Jim Rohn. Lives in Will Point, Texas, and he likes Jim Rohn, right? And as we go down, all of these people live in Texas, and they like Jim Rohn. So what Facebook does when you pay for ads, they're showing your ads to these people right here. And there's a ton of them. This goes down quite a bit, right? So that's all Facebook is doing. They're showing your ads to these people. So why not you get these people into your network on your Facebook profile, and you market to them every day and not have to spend a single penny with Facebook ads? Now they're in your audience. So when they think about buying something, they're not like the people that have to keep spending money for them to be seen, right? You're going to have them in your network, and you're going to use your TV station, right? That's my recommendation for you. Provide value to those people. Give them some inspiration. Give them some motivation, right? But use your TV station. What am I talking about when I say TV station? Your Facebook Live. You need to be using your Facebook Live. Trust me, this is what I've done. I've done over 120 plus videos, probably even more at this time, right there on Facebook Live. And if you guys haven't yet, if you're not yet friends with me, I'm closing in on 5,000 friends. So if you want to be a part of my network and you want to see what I'm doing over on Facebook, definitely just add me. My name's Rakeem Madison, the same as on this YouTube channel. Okay, so back to the video. So they're using the same algorithm that this tool is allowing you to use through parameters when you're paying for it every month. Okay, now let's go ahead and close that out. Okay, so that was one example of the tool, but you can kind of see what it allows you to do. Let me kind of keep showing you. So people who live in and they work at, or people named and they live in Texas, or people named Tom who lived in New York. Okay, so this, guys, when I say this right here is so powerful, and like I've been using this for the last 90 days, and I've just been testing, and the quality of leads that I'm able to find with this tool it's ridiculous crazy, because I haven't turned an ad on in at least almost 3 months now, which is absolutely crazy, because usually I would have my ads running, right? I would be paying my money out, and I haven't had to do that, but I've still been able to get the results. All right, so let's keep going. All right, so people named, let's just say people named Bob, who are between the age of 18 and 22, and, right, I can put another perimeter in there. All right, let's keep going. Let's see, people who like Gary V, and they were born in 2005, right? And then I would hit the search button. It would do the exact same thing, just as if Facebook, if Facebook had you paying them to be able to do that. So now you literally do not have to turn on an ad if you don't want to with this free tool right here. All right, let's keep going now. So there's some more parameters. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you get the basis of how powerful this is, and you're literally able to do just like an ad. Let me show you this one, because this one is what you with Facebook ads you can do. Like, I want people who like Jim Rohn, Gary V, Eric Worre, and they do this, right? So you can do the exact same thing here. So I want people who live in Texas, and look at that, and I want their name to be Tom, right? And let's see, and I want them to, okay, so they live in Texas, their name is Tom, and they speak English. Let's just see what pops up. Let's see if we get some search results. All right, let's see what pops up. Look at that. Look at this, guys. This right here is ridiculously crazy. Tom, they live in Texas, and they speak the English language, guys. If this is a free tool, let me go ahead and restate that again. This tool that I'm using is a free tool that allows you to target any type of niches. Anybody that you want to target, you're able to do that right here with this free tool. Let me go ahead and close this out, because I want to show you some more value with this actual. Let me close this message out. All right, so let's say you're in the fitness niche, right? What you can do is you can literally go to Facebook and type fitness. Now, when you do this, what the first this is my advice. What I'm going to tell you to do, you can literally go to pages, right? It's going to show you all the fitness pages. So if you're in the fitness niche and you want to find targeted people who are in the fitness niche that they are at least interested in bettering their body, or they're just they really enjoy fitness. These are going to be those type of people, right? People that are liking these pages, and you can also do groups as well, right? So you can see over here, gym, workout, fitness, health and body fitness. You can join these groups, connect with these people, right? Don't go in groups and spam them, right? You want to go in there, build connection, provide value, add these people to your network as well, the same way you would add these people right here on those pages. Because what you can do, let me show you real quick. So you can see this page has 2.9 million likes, right? So what am I going to do? This page is called fitness. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over to this software over here, and I'm going to put that right here. People who like fitness. So it's going to show me all the people who like that page, guys. Let me hit the search button for you. Now look at this. People who like the page name fitness. This person, this person, this person, this person. It's going to be the same number that you saw up there, which was 2.9 million people. So tell me that right there is not getting you targeted people who want what you have to offer. They're interested already, right? Let's go back and let's do another one. All right, that was the fitness niche. Okay, let's try coffee. I don't know why I like talking about coffee a lot like that. All right, so let's go to the same thing, same concept. We're gonna hit pages, and it's gonna pull up all the coffee pages. Now look at that right there, guys. This has 507,000 likes on that page. I've never in my life heard of Death Wish Coffee, the Death Wish Coffee Company. I've never heard of them, but they got over 500,000 likes. So what does that tell you? These people really must like coffee. If I've never heard of this, it's not Starbucks, right? But they like a different style of coffee or the brand. So that must mean that they really enjoy coffee to be liking something that I've never heard of. Okay? So that's a targeted, a good target for coffee. Now you're going to hit people who actually enjoy that. Now you can build your audience the same as I talked about, provide them value. If you are selling coffee, keep showing up in front of them every single day. It doesn't matter what your niche is. If it's real estate investing, if it's coffee, if it's fitness, it can be water, whatever you're selling, you put it up here in the Facebook search box. Then you use this tool, go over here, look at the type of targeted people that you're going to see, because they're going to be targeted because you're looking up your niche, and all of those pages and all of those groups are coming up. And I'm telling you, you, my friend, will never have to turn on another Facebook ad again because of this free tool, Lookup ID. Literally. Now, let me show you how to speed it up. Now, obviously, we talked about the different pages, okay? So let me go back to Facebook, and I'm going to type fitness in again to pull that page up that had 2.9 million likes. All right, so let's go to pages, and boom. Now, let's say you want to speed it up, and you don't want to add your friends manually. You want to have something automated for you. Well, I'm going to show you another tool. Now, this specific tool, this is only for the people that want to speed it up. Now, if you want to take your time, manually add the friend request, that's fine. But if you want to get in here and absolutely speed up the process and make it faster, here we go. I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, so as you can see, that only has nine likes on the post. But what if that had 2,000 on the post? Well, all you would do is open up the reactions, use this tool right here, up here, right? This is my other tool, Simple Social Tools, okay? And I'll put the link for that in the description. If not, I'll put my messenger, and you can just have a conversation. I can figure out what your problem is, and then we can go from there, okay? Now, add friends. All I'm going to do is hit the add friend button, put the delay in there for 20 seconds or 15 seconds, no less than 15, and then boom, let's say I want to add all 8 of those friends. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the start button, and it's going to start sending out friend requests to those people. Now, when you send out a good amount of friend requests, at least 20% of those people are going to accept you as a friend. Now they're in your network, and what are you going to do? You're going to provide value, and you're going to use your TV station. Provide value and use your TV station. You got to use your TV station, or you're just wasting your time. Those people want to see you. They want to build, they want to see a connection, right? I mean, they want to actually, you want to build a connection with them. Once you build that connection with them, they're seeing you every day. They're like, man, this person is just dropping value on us. Man, I'm interested in what he has to offer, right? It happens over time when people are constantly seeing you. They're just seeing you. They're seeing you. Bloop! Ah, man, this person is great, right? That's what happens over time. So let me go ahead and close this. I'm not going to actually run it because I actually did a video here on my channel that covers how that tool works in full detail, because there's actually 5 different features that it allows you to do, okay? But yes, guys, real quick, let me just write this out for you. So number 1, okay? Number 1, you're going to type your niche. Type your niche on Facebook search box. In Facebook search box. Okay? I guess I can't spell. FB search box. Once you do that, you're then going to go, like I said over here, you're going to type that in, type fitness or real estate investing, whatever your niche is, type it in there. Then you're going to pull up. Let me go ahead and just search it while I'm doing this so you can see one more time. All right, let me close this out. Boom, boom. All right, then you're going to go to pages so you can find the targeted pages, because they're 9 times out of 10, if it's a popular niche, wealth, health, or relationships, is going to have some large pages. Once you get that, you're going to click on it, right? Click on it. Then you're going to copy the name of it, take it over here to the tool, put it right here in this section, people who like, boom, hit the search box, and it's going to pull up all of the people who like that page, every single last one of them, and you're going to manually add the friend request. But if you want to speed it up, you just go back to the page, find out, look at what their engagement is on their post, add those people because they're still targeted, because they're right there on their page. Literally, that's it, guys. I know I was going to write it out for you, but I mean, it's kind of simple. You're typing it in, boom, you're taking it, copying it, putting it into the tool, and now you're in front of targeted people. Add them to your profile, provide value, use your TV station. Literally, that is the game plan that I've been using, and I've been consistently getting results in my business. Literally, guys. So I hope you got some value from this video. I really do. I really do, okay? And make sure you are saving money. That's the whole point of me putting this video together, because I know there are people out there that are spending thousands of dollars on advertising and they're not getting the results. But what if you could just flip it around, save that money, and now you're able to scale up in whatever you're trying to do in your business. So hopefully you got some value. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos on this channel, you get them, my friend. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.